Great choice today with the 2019 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.